This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door molding. First, gather your essential tools: a pry bar, utility knife, hammer, and safety glasses. Carefully remove the old molding, taking care not to damage the door frame or surrounding wall. Use your utility knife to score any paint lines before prying. Once removed, thoroughly clean the area, ensuring a smooth and level surface. This preparation is crucial for a professional finish and will save you time later on. Next, precise measuring and cutting are key. Measure the door frame accurately, adding a small allowance of about 1/8 of an inch for your miter cuts. Use a miter saw to cut the molding at 45-degree angles for clean, tight corners. Remember, it's always better to cut a piece slightly long and trim it down than to cut it too short. Double-check all your measurements before making final cuts to prevent any material waste. Now, let's install your new molding. Begin by applying a thin, consistent bead of construction adhesive to the back of the molding for a strong, lasting bond. Then, carefully position the molding and secure it with finishing nails, spaced approximately every 12 to 16 inches along its length. Use a nail set to recess the nail heads slightly below the surface. This ensures a smooth finish and prepares the molding for the final steps. Finally, for those finishing touches, fill all nail holes and any small seams with wood putty, allowing it to dry completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once dry, sand the patched areas smooth for a seamless appearance. Apply a thin bead of paintable caulk along the edges where the molding meets the wall for a professional, gap-free finish. Then, paint or stain your new molding to perfectly match your existing decor, completing your updated look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.